Hello, happy Friday, TGIF. Wow, what a week, right? I feel it too. Wednesday was quite a day, and now we are still anxiously awaiting on what that announcement that came yesterday from President Daniels actually means. So, as soon as I know more information, I will gladly share that out. Until then, we are going to talk about a few tips and tricks on this Friday. The first thing I wanted to talk about was contact information. So, academic classroom scheduling is responsible for the schedule build, the schedule of classes, creating sections, limit changes, etc., etc. We're also responsible for any events in academic classrooms as well. So there is five of us total on our team, and on the registrar website, under contact, you can find our contact information under academic and classroom scheduling contacts. So this is us right here. And these are the people that you should be contacting with anything regarding to classroom scheduling, schedule build, etc. No one else in the registrar's office does what we do. So please don't email registrar@Purdue or anyone else in the registrar's office because they're eventually just going to forward you to us. So just come straight to us. And you each have a scheduling assistant assigned to you that should be your direct contact for any information questions first. So either Betty Cole or Robin Haywood is who you're assigned to. If you have a question on who your scheduling assistant is, please reach out to me and I will let you know who your scheduling assistant is. No need to copy me on those emails unless you see a need to. Any additional questions or maybe some information or questions you think Robin and Betty might not have can, of course, still go to me. But that way we kind of keep it filtered. We've been seeing a lot of people emailing other people in our office or the registrar inbox, which is completely full right now. So your message will just probably get buried in there. So it's most important that you contact your scheduling assistant first. Okay, let's get into Unitime. The first thing I wanted to share with you today is how to add a new course in Unitime. So I got a lot of messages about a new course being offered for fall, whether that was just approved or you want to make something offered that hasn't been offered in the past. You look it through your class list and you see it's not on there. That's because you actually have to add it in. So I'm going to show you how you add new courses in Unitime. So today I'm going to use the example of CSR. I'm pretending here, so don't freak out, CSR, but I'm pretending that they have just now got a course approved CSR 120 and they need to start offering it for fall. So the first thing you do is you go to your subject area and then in the course number, you simply type what that number is. So 120.00, remember course numbers are 5 digits. And then you come over here and you click add new. As you can see, when I hover over it, it says add new offering. So we're going to add it. And then this brings us up to the add course offering page. So we need to put in the title and the credit information. And we can do that by going down here to the course catalog view. We can simply click that. It opens in another page. Remember, we use the short title for our titles. So what I do is I simply highlight it and copy it. And then I come back over to here and I copy it in the title. Please note that you cannot go to a current course that you're not going to be offering and just simply change the number and the title. That you can't do that. That you can't overwrite a current course that's being offered and just change it from there. Unfortunately, that's not possible. It'll throw errors. So you either have to add the whole new course like I'm doing, or you can delete that course out and then, of course, add the new one as well. But we can't be just overwriting the course number and the course title. Okay, so now we need to check the credits. This is a 3-credit course. As you can see right here, it's stated 3 credits. So we're going to do a fixed unit of 3 credits. And then we're just going to hit save. And then that gives us the base for the course. And so now it's listed, but now we have to add the configuration of how that is going to be taught. That'll be for a different training because that goes a little bit in detail. But this is how you add a new course into your course offerings. All right. The last thing I wanted to show you today, since there's a lot of talk about rooms and room capacities, I wanted to show you how you can look at that information in Unitime. I know typically I will send out PDFs, Word documents where it lists all the classrooms and the capacities. I don't know if I'm going to have time, honestly, to get that together for you in a short amount of time that we have to turn over the schedule. So the place that you could look for that information is in rooms. So under courses on the left-hand side, you just click rooms. You don't need to open it. You just click on the word rooms. And then this brings you into a filter. And if you click on managed and hit search, that's going to bring back all the rooms that are in your bucket. That's when we say the word bucket. That means the rooms that are assigned to your department. But instead, I'm going to clear that out and I'm going to open up the caret and find the department. There won't be all these departments in your options, just an FYI. We're going to go to the need classroom. 1979 is that number, and that's need classroom manager. And that's all the classes, or the rooms, excuse me, that are under the academic classroom bucket. So basically, any room that you could get scheduled in is under that 1979 manager. And so you just put 1979 in there or select it from the department dropdown and just click search. It'll take a minute and it's going to bring back all of those rooms that are in the need room manager right now. So let's just pause here and let it do its searching. All right, so this brought it all back. This brought it back in alpha order. So you might want to search by capacity. A lot of times people want to see the largest rooms or the smallest rooms. So you can just click on that header of capacity, and then sort by capacity. And now it's sorted from largest to smallest. So of course we have async and synchronous in there, which are like no capacity, endless capacity, I should say. And then it starts going in. As you can tell, these are still the COVID capacities for the capacity information right now. As soon as we know the updated capacities, we will update that and then it will show here for you. Something else that if you want to do, another tip is if you wanted to narrow down certain areas on campus, areas on the north side, you can do that, put that in your filter. If you want to see classes that have chalkboards or whiteboards, there's a lot of different filters that you can do in here, and it'll bring back those classrooms. This is a very, very handy tool that you should definitely get yourself comfortable using, and you should be using when it comes to the schedule build and knowing what room options are available for you and your faculty. Okay, I think that's going to wrap it up for today. Again, let me know if you have any suggestions on what you want me to show in these little videos. Happy to help in any way I can. I hope you guys all have a wonderful weekend.